and do whether it can record.
Try and see if it can record. I am going to try and see if it can if the camera can record.
Sawa. Hebu weka nini? Weka sit down. So what is it? What are you doing? Iti mwango.
Amado yogurt.
Amado chak mopuo. You know yogurt is chak mopuo. So you say?
Amado chak mopuo.
Yeah. Amado chak mopuo. So nataka kujaribu kuona whether it will be able to shoot. And the nini is good. The autofocus is very nice. Alafu it is 20 minutes. Sio kama nini. Sio kama ile ingine 10 minutes. So it has given us 20 minutes.
18 minutes is the best time you can have, and then you'll be receiving like 5 to 10 minutes of the video. So, if you film for 20 minutes, you will get between 5 and 15 minutes of the video.
Don't knock.
If you film 18 minutes, you'll get like 5 to 10 minutes of the video. Can I see myself? Oh.
Naona vile iko smart.
So how do you record?
It's recording already. Naona so I can see. I have to go like this.
Hello everyone. My name is Nick.
Sasa hebu endo ipeleke juu kidogo camera. Tilt the camera. The camera itself.
Okay.
It is going back. You have to hapo. Tena hivi. Yes. There.
Okay. Hello everyone.
This is making nice there.
Okay. Hello.
So this is a test. We are testing our new cameras, our new microphones, our new equipment. We are bringing in lapel mics. The other mic is called what?
I don't know.
Another type of mic there. Bringing in new cameras. We want to change this channel so that it is beautiful and everyone is understanding what we are saying. So still to come, we are looking for the editing computer. We have not bought it yet, but we are buying it in the next
2 months.
No, 2 months is too much.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, we shall be buying the editing computer. Now we have lights, we have
Sound system.
sound, we have camera. Only thing missing is action.
Now we need to find scripts, stories, books, whatever.
Yeah, we need to start reading. All the kids out there, start coming over and reading with us.
Yep.
All parents, we have to do like every good night story. You have to read. We must do a good night story every night. What do you think? Good night stories. We want to start doing good night stories. We want to start doing the cartoon characters. We had started cartoon characters, but it was too difficult for us to film. Now we can be able to film.
That was puppeting. Cartoon characters is animation.
Whatever. They know it all, as she said. So we are going to do those things. And we shall... What else?
We should find time for scripts so that we can be organized on what we are saying, because most of the time in our previous videos, when I wanted to speak, Daddy would go ahead and speak instead of me.
Yes. Now we want to speak if you're supposed to speak. You know, speaking aimlessly. What else?
And then we are going to practice those scripts as if we are in a movie.
No. Nope.
Yes.
That one, no.
Yes.
Don't listen to her.
Listen to me.
Nope. So we start, when do we start? We are starting to shoot tomorrow. So tomorrow...
No, we are starting tomorrow afternoon.
Oh, tomorrow afternoon. So, if we start tomorrow afternoon, it means we'll upload on Sunday or Monday.
Yep.
Yeah. But let us know what you think about the sound and about the
Sound system, camera system.
the camera. Is this camera bright enough? We are not using any light. We're just using the natural light. Sunlight from the window. Yeah. We are not using. That's why you cannot see me very well. Okay, I'm here, guys. See the white parts? Yeah, that's why you cannot see me very well. And then we are using this camera is called a Nikon
D350
5300 something.
No, 530. No.
50.
Nikon D3500.
No. It's 5300.
3500.
Go and check.
We'll see.
Go and check.
I check?
Yeah, go and check.
Okay.
Si imeandikwa tu hapa kando, hapa mbele. What is that?
Nikon DX.
No, hapa mbele.
Nikon D500. D500.
What did you do?
D500.
Huh?
Yeah.
Give this.
Wait, sasa unaweka nini yako hapo kuje? Toka hapo.
Yeah.
Speak into the microphone. You are being recorded. Speak to the microphone. Speak. Say something. Sit down.
Say, what's up, you people?
What's up, you people?
I'll be teaching Tony how to speak Luo.
Yeah.
And Tony will be learning every day.
I'm even better than Nikki's Luo.
Of course, you're better than Nikki in Luo words. So we'll look at greetings.
Yeah.
And you know how to do greetings? If you want to greet someone, what do you say?
Yeah, you.
Say, oya ore.
Oya.
Say oya ore again.
Speak louder.
Oya.
Oya ore ahinya. Say, oya ore ahinya.
Alright.
Oya ore ahinya.
Speak louder.
Oya. Ahinya.
Good. Iriyo nade. Ariyo maber. Nyinga en Tony. An ja higni. Abich gi nus.
beach canoes.
Nyinga and Tony.
Nyinga and Tony.
Nyinga and Tony.
Nyinga and Tony.
Good boy. Hi. So that's it. Hey guys, that's it. And please look up for our videos.
Yeah. And subscribe for 500
Oh, and subscribe
likes.
for 500 likes, as Tony says. Thank you for the subscribers. Bye.
Bye.